If your Henry hose keeps pulling out of the main body, there's no need to buy a new hose. So today I'm going to show you how to repair it. We also have a video on YouTube showing you how to repair the opposite end of the hose that goes onto your metal pipes. First things first is if you take the machine and plastic part off of your Henry. If you don't take it off, it actually might just spin round, the inside part spins round, so it might just not tighten on at all. So you do need to take it off. Inside there is glue from the factory. If you just clean up as much as that as you can, and there's actually no need to glue it again. If you feel you need to, just put it a little bit on the inside, but make sure the inside that's supposed to swivel still swivels as it should do. And you're going to take the end of your hose. Now the natural thing is to want to tighten it like clockwise. It actually tightens anti-clockwise, so it goes against human nature, righty-tighty we're always taught, and this actually tightens up anti-clockwise. So then all we need to do is make sure that the hose is still swiveling from the main plastic part and put it back onto your Henry. And that should be it. Thank you very much.